So here we have an enlargement problem. We have the original triangle ABC and its image A dash, B dash, C dash. So the idea is that somewhere here is the center of enlargement and it's gone out past the original to the image, gone out past the original to the image, gone out past the original to the image. And we solve this by just joining the original point and its image and continuing past a little bit. So something like this. Okay, so I join the B dash and its original, so I join those two and just keep going a little bit. Somewhere along there, somewhere along that line that I've just drawn will be the center of enlargement, and I'll choose well, either one of those actually, A dash and B dash. You can see where the center of enlargement is. I just draw that along here and it crosses this point right here, and that is the center of enlargement right there. It's actually on one of the sides of the original triangle. Job done.